Go from the monster truck look. So we have about 2.5 inches in the front and about almost 3 inches in the back. Stay tuned. Outstanding results on the Scat Pack 392 lowered springs from Eibach. This is the Pro kit. You'll find the part number in the description, and also on the video you can pause it. Hopefully you guys like it. I love it personally. I think it should have come like that from the factory. We've got the perfect stance now. So it's 1.1 inch drop in the front, as you can see here, and 1.2 inch drop in the back. So let me know what you think, leave me a comment, subscribe, join the ride, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.